For this man, survival wasn't simply about building a shelter or starting a fire, but a journey of learning to adapt to the harsh, natural environment with his own hands and composure. From selecting suitable tree trunks for the tent frame, stripping bark for a roof to protect against rain and wind, to carefully building a fire, cooking food, and maintaining warmth throughout the long night, every action was crucial for survival. There was no room for error. In the silence of the deep forest, he quietly felt his limits, cherishing every moment of existence and adaptation amidst the pristine wilderness.